Hey guys, it's Dima from DimusTech, and I can't believe it, but it's finally here! The dual plate also arrived finally today. I just came home and I saw this. It's about 11 PM, but I just arrived and I saw this. I had to make this video right now. So, what's the whole deal? Why am I so excited and why did I have to wait for it so long? Well, the reason for the waiting is actually the post office in my country. But whatever, Peak Design were kind enough to actually resend this, and finally everything is okay after all the trouble that I had with their shipping. I really believe that it's the fault of post office in Israel and not theirs. Anyway, what the hell is it first of all? So, this is the capture and this is the dual plate. So if you want to put your camera on a tripod or pretty much to mount it or on anything else, you'll have to use some kind of plate with a quick release. Well, you don't have to, but you should. It's easier to actually release it and mount it to something else, so you should use some sort of release plate. And basically I do have one for my Manfrotto with a quick release, but this one, the dual plate, is both for Manfrotto and both for Arca Swiss. The both main, I would say, major quick release options in the market as far as I know. And this is awesome for me because my friend has a tripod with Arca Swiss and we will be able to use my camera on both of our tripods. And it will be pretty easy to switch. So what is the capture? Well, this dual plate has some other options. You can use it to actually mount to this thing. And this thing is actually mounts to your backpack, to the strap of your backpack, and I'll show you soon what I mean. So let's go ahead and unbox them. So to be honest, I did unbox for a moment the capture because I couldn't wait. And yeah, so this is it, so you can actually see it already. But let's close it for a moment from here and actually do the opening for real this time. And you'll see what's inside, and actually I was pretty amazed of the quality. Okay, it's stuck for some reason. Maybe I didn't put it the right way the last time I unboxed it. Oh, okay. So, okay, great. The box is empty now. So, this is the plate itself. As you can see, we also have a pouch. And let's try to figure out how you open it so we will be able to actually take out the plate. Now, I'm doing it pretty quickly and easily, but I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so this is how it goes. This thing sits on the strap of your backpack, and basically this is going on behind, and this one is closes in the front. And then you basically screw it, and it keeps it locked and tight locked there. And then you just mount the dual plate on it with your camera. So basically you can hang, I think they have, yeah, so this is pretty much how it should work. Let me try to focus on that and you'll see. So this is pretty much how it will be, and as we have a backpack from Peak Design as well, it should fit perfectly. So we have a pouch here with few other things. Pouch feels great. It's not one of those that will just won't be that good after a while. That one feels really great. So you have here some screws, and as far as I understood, this is for switching from those small screws to the bigger ones, if I'm correct. And basically those screws are a little bit bigger, so if you have a thicker strap, it should be good as well. And you have that thing, well, I'm not really sure why would you need it here. Basically, it's more for this one, but I think we have something like that even here. So let's go ahead and now unbox the dual plate. Okay, so the dual plate just came in, I didn't unbox it yet. I think we'll need, yeah. Okay, I think I can do it with my hand as well. God, I cannot wait to actually use it already. Okay, so, that's it. That's how you unbox it. So, this is the dual plate. Let's see, yeah, we do have here the same pretty much thing. And I think it's the first package from Peak Design that we don't get a sticker like this. But I think the sticker is actually, no, it would fit here. I don't know. For some reason they didn't include one here. So we have pretty much the dual plate. So the dual plate basically has that screw, and as you can see, this thing fits here well. or you can just use a coin if you like that as well. You have here two hooks. This is basically for their special mounts. I forgot how they call them. Let's see. Well, basically there are sort of quick release buttons that you can hook to a strap, things like that. It's really awesome. I'll probably buy something in the future like that. I really liked it. Now, again, this plate is pretty similar to the plate that I have on my DSLR right now, but this one comes with both Arca Swiss connection and the Manfrotto that I need. In short, after that we'll sit on our back. It will go sort of like this. You have to sort of press here the button and it will not work because here how it goes. So yeah, the problem is that when it's not tightened, this thing is pretty much jumping and makes it harder to actually put this in. But when it will be on our backpack, you'll just slide it and that's it. That's in place, that's locked. If you want to unlock it, you have to press the button here. Let me move to a different camera angle and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I decided first of all to actually show you how you mount this thing on your backpack. This is the Peak design and I think I'll put it here on that strap right here where my finger is. It should probably fit great. So let's try to open those as much as possible, I think, and we'll see. So as far as I understood, we need to do it like this. That's about how it should go, and it doesn't go well enough. Okay, let's try to release it more a little bit. Why doesn't it work? Oh, okay, so I had to press on it a little bit. And now basically you have to tighten up. Okay, as you can see, it's starting pretty heavy. And that's it. Now whenever we will mount it, as you can see, it works pretty smoothly. And that's it. That's how it will go. So let's mount our camera and see how it goes. I hope you can see well, because I'm using right now the GoPro instead of the main camera, because the main camera needs to do some other job, as you can understand. So I already dismounted my old Manfrotto plate. This is the quick release Manfrotto plate. What's good about this one, it has a ring like that is very comfortable to actually screw in that. So that's really comfortable, but well, okay. Let's move to our Manfrotto, and as you can see there's a lens pointer, so you do have to mount it like this. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's go ahead. Now this is mounted like this, and we will start screwing it. Okay, we don't need to have to figure out where exactly the place, like this. And let's try to do it as straight as possible, because I don't want to play with it later. Okay, yeah, that feels tight. Okay, let's take for a moment my Manfrotto and we'll see if it fits on the tripod. Okay, so I hope you can see it well. So this is the Manfrotto, this is the camera, and basically I think I can mount it. The problem is that I have only two hands. So for a moment, you probably won't see it. I'm hand holding the GoPro as well. Obviously it's on a tripod, but still. Let me try and do it like this. Okay. And yeah, oh wow, that holds really well, as it should hold. Well, the tripod isn't steady right now because I didn't really fully open it, but as you can see, it's fully locked in place. Okay, let's unlock it. Okay, so now it's unlocked. And now let me try to show you what happens when it's on my backpack. Okay guys, so this is me holding the GoPro on a sort of a selfie stick. And this is the camera. I really hope it's in the shot. And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna mount it on the Peak Design capture for the very first time. Let me try, maybe it's a little bit too high. Okay, that's it. Whoa, it's locked. Wow, it's actually, you know what, maybe I need it a little bit lower, but yeah, that's actually locked pretty good. And well, I'm not really sure that I can do it with one hand. I mean, unlock it. Yeah, probably with one hand. I will not, you know what, yeah, I still can do it. And the camera is out. That's awesome! You can walk with this without the need of any strap or anything. Just lower it down a little bit for my strap, and that's it. I really love it. And now, something new. Google recently released Password Checkup extension in Chrome browser. This extension does a simple thing. You just install it and basically log into your regular stuff, regular websites. Once the Password Checkup finds that your password that you are using for a specific site is compromised, it will warn you. This is a very good technique to actually defend yourself from your passwords that are already found on the internet and you don't know that they've been hacked from another site or something like that. Which actually did happen to me lately, and I did lose some credentials to one of my websites. For those of you who are concerned that Google might know your passwords, this is not exactly correct. The way that they do that, they actually create a strong hash from the password and username that are found in a database from other hacked websites. Then, they locally on your computer create a hash from your username and password from the site you are logging into. The hashes are then compared, and since only the hashes are compared, Google doesn't actually have your password. The extension works very simple, you don't have to configure anything, just install it in Chrome and it will basically pop up in red whenever it finds something wrong. For me, it already found a stolen password in a specific website, which might have ended catastrophically since this website is actually related to purchasing stuff online. I know many of you probably heard about that extension from many other websites already, and some of you might even install it. But I think you don't realize how important this extension is and how it actually can save you from stupid things like that. In my opinion, I highly recommend that extension to use for each and every one of you. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.